Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sum values in rows and columns, an essential skill for any data task. So let's get right into it. There are several ways to perform sums in Excel, but today we will focus on the quickest and simplest method. It's like using a coffee pod, fast and efficient without the grind. I have got a table here and it tracks monthly participant numbers for various events from January to June. Let's start by totaling the participants for January. I will click into the cell B8 right below our January data. Then head over to the Home tab, locate the editing group and click AutoSum. Excel will automatically highlight the cells above B2 until B7 in this case. Since it predicts these are the ones you want to sum. It's generally accurate but always good to verify. If the range is correct, leave it as is. If not, adjust by dragging the corners of the selected area. As the current selection is correct, I will leave it as is and hit enter. And there you have it, the total number of participants for January. Now, to sum the other months, click on the cell we just calculated, hover over the bottom right corner of the cell, and drag it across to the rest of the columns. Moving on. How about summing the rows to see the total participants for each event over all 6 months? Just as easy. To sum the first row, click on the cell under the label Total, click AutoSum again, and hit Enter. To copy the formula to the rest of the rows that need to be calculated, hover over the bottom right corner of the cell and drag down through the total column. And there you have it. You now know a simple and easy method to sum values in rows and columns in Excel. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, please drop a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.